Analyzing the past papers, we have found out three important type of questions for UGC psychology that you must focus on. The first is the assertion reason type questions. Now here, the most confusing part is whether you have already identified whether both assertion and reason are correct, but the main clue lies whether the reason supports the assertion or not. So if you try to connect the sentence using because and you see a meaningful connection, that means that both of them are true, and reason is a correct explanation for assertion, as in this example. The next important type of questions for your UGC NET psychology, commonly asked, which is based on rote learning, is the chronological order. Also, besides the chronological order, books and authors are another important questions, and the contributions. So let's say we talk about Freud, Piaget and Maslow. So we understand how these theories develop. So the question would ask, arrange them in a chronological order. So these kind of questions where you need to remember the chronological sequence. Even for Indian psychology, the major departments being established in India across the various universities is one of the important upcoming questions. And then another type of question is match list, where let's say in learning you have different conditioning models and then you are asked which relates to which theory. So matching the theory and the contributor is one such question. Similarly, the parts of the brain, the functions of the brain, or it could be the emotions theory, the intelligence theories and their major contributors, or the key aspects that that theory focus on. So those kind of questions are commonly asked. These three are the most important tricky questions that you must prepare before your examination. Of course, for more guidance, follow the link below. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.